Load your family into the 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as speed-sensitive wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.